Hello guys, welcome back to our course. So this is the OOPS course for beginners and this is the module number 2 in which we are going to see classes and objects. So this is the module number 2 and we are going to see what are the classes and what are the objects. So now let's get started guys. So first of all we are going to see what is class. So class is a blueprint. So you have to note this word. This is very important and this can be asked in interviews or in your exams. So class is a blueprint or template for creating objects. So this question have been asked in my interview. Interviewer asked me what is a class. So this is very important. You have to note that class is a blueprint or template for creating objects, or you can also define this as it is a collection of objects which have similar type of characteristics. So this is a very important question. It can be asked in our exams or in our interviews. So this question have been asked in my interview and I have answered this by this definition that this is a blueprint, or we can say that this is the collection of objects which have similar type of characteristics. So now it defines attributes and behaviors of objects. So this is the class, and it also specifies objects properties and methods. We have seen that in our previous overview video that class are the blueprint and methods have states and behaviors. So these are the states known as properties and methods are known as behaviors. So now the example of classes are employee, customer, product classes. So these are the classes, these are the examples of real world classes. So we can also say that animal is class and the objects are dog, cow, etc. All are these objects of that class. Then also there is a class called human, and there are the two objects. First one is male, female, or all these things. So now these are the examples of class and objects. So now we are going to see what is an object. So object is a instance of class, means we can create objects by using the classes, and every object have attributes and methods. So attributes are known as the state, and the uh, data or methods are known as behaviors. So these are the two characteristics two characteristics of objects. So object is a instance of class. Every object have one state and behaviors. So this is the definition of objects. So this can be also asked in exam or in your interview. So now it is a real world entity with unique attributes. So every object have unique attributes, or every object have unique characteristics. So like you can say that our class is animal, and animal class have dog. So dog have state, like it have he have the colors, then he have the height and all these things. So this is the state of the dog, and behavior may be barking, walking, running. All these things are attributes, sorry, all these things are behaviors of dogs. So this is also known as methods. So we are going to see all these things in our further videos with full details by using examples. So now it behaves as defined by its class. So we can create objects by using classes. So we have seen that. So now example of objects. So John is the employee. So employee is the class and John is the object of the employee class. So now this is the account. Account is known as class, and this is the account number. So account number is the object of account class. Okay. So this is about object. Now we are going to see how to create classes and how to create objects. So first of all we are going to see how to create class. So class can be created by using class keyword. So class is a keyword which is used to create class. So this is the A. So we can by using this we can create our class. You have to enter this keyword, and after that you have to enter the name of class. So suppose that we are creating the animal class. So this is the animal class in which we are going to in which we are going to create different objects which are under animal class. So this is how we can create animal class. So how to create objects now? So creating classes is very easy, but creating objects is somewhat tricky. So now how to create objects? It is not difficult, but if you understand this, then you will definitely, it is very easy. So now how to create objects? To create objects, first of all we have to declare class. So we have already declared our class and we have given the name as animal. So this is the class keyword and this is the name of our class. So now it defines attributes and methods. So we can create the object by using class, and it every object define attributes and methods. So attributes known as state and methods are known as behavior. So now we are going to see how to create objects. So you can create object by using this. So if you want to create animal type of objects, so this is the method by which you can create objects. So first of all we will give this animal class name, and after that we are going to give the name of our object. So suppose we are going I have to create uh, dog object. So this is the dog object, and after that we have to give this assignment operators, and we have all cover all these assignment operators and all these things in our previous Java course. So we are I am telling that how to create classes and objects in Java. So now this is the class name, this is the object name, and now this is very important to note that we can create object by using new keyword. So this is the keyword like class. So this is the keyword we have to use, and after that uh, we have to enter the class name again. So understand this is the class name, and after that we have to give brackets. So this is by, and we at the end we have to give this semicolon. So this is the uh, method how we can create objects of our class. So we have created dog object by using animal class, and this is the new is the keyword, equal to sign is assignment operator, and at last we have given the name of our object. So now instantiate object from class. So we have instantiated our class object from our animal class. So now we have to set of attributes values for each object. So we can create object and we can define all these things, uh, state and behavior of each object. So now we are going to see class versus object using example. So suppose that class is employee is a class and it has attributes like name, id, salary. So this is the employee and attributes are name, id and salary. So this is the state of employee class. So now methods like this is the behavior of employee. So methods like work, take leave. So these are the methods, or this we can also say that these are the function of our class. So these are the function of our class. And object John. So John is the object, is an instance of class employee. So John is the object of class employee, and John has unique name. So it have unique name, id and other attributes. So these are the state of object called John. So John is the object. Okay. So now we have seen class versus object. Now we have to cover benefits of classes and objects. So what are the benefits of classes and objects? So we have already seen all these things in our previous video. So these are the benefits of oops. So we are again I have to told the benefits of classes and objects. So it provide modularity and organized code. So we can uh, organize our code in well manner by using classes and objects. So it provides reusability by using inheritance. So we are going to see what is inheritance in our further videos. So now it is easier to understand real world entities by using classes and objects. Abstraction to handle complexity. Abstraction is also pillar of object oriented programming. We are going to see all these things in our further videos. So now we at the end I want to summarize this session. So now what we have covered in this lecture. So we have covered classes. What are the classes? So classes are the blueprint of object, and we have seen it is a collection of objects which have similar type of characteristics. So now objects are the instance of classes, so we can create objects by using classes. So now we have seen what how to create objects and how to create classes. So objects are concrete instance of class, and we have seen oops model or benefits of classes and objects in this session. So now at the end I want to end this session, and thank you so much guys for watching this video. And if you have any doubt, then please feel free to ask the questions in comment box. Thank you guys. Bye bye.